you guys enjoy that view of me cleaning the lens? Anyway, it is about 7 a.m. We are headed to the parking lot. A little bit late as usual, but we'll still make it to the park. Park opens at 8 a.m. this morning, and then tonight is our Halloween party. Guys, look, we're early but late. We're actually getting a decent parking spot.
It's so empty. We got a different bus.
Surprised our last bus is at 12 though.
But the lines are like very small. Space Mountain, I think. And then actually hit Matterhorn. We're just gonna get a fast pass at Space. Hit Matterhorn, then a whole bunch of rides hopefully afterwards. Oh, Jesus. Clusterfuck. Wanna make your way down to Space Mountain, ready?
Please place all hats, glasses, and loose possessions.
They got pretty busy, it looks like. It's open again. It smells like paint. They must have repainted it. We got off Ghost Galaxy. Again, I think we had this at the front. I mean, like the back is just like boring because you can't see shit really.
You can't even really see much of the third row either, and that's what we were in.
So we're gonna go hit Matterhorn now.
Qui allo spettino.
Nice and calm. I think the Jungle Cruise is down right now. That's a first. Look at how open it is though. I mean, like, damn. It's crazy. There's like no Jack or Sally out unless no one's in line for it, which would be surprising. And look at that though.
We're waiting in line for City Hall.
Yeah.
You want to tell them why?
I don't know why. Alexis has a nice expensive pass again. Nice paper. Hold on to it. I won't hold on to it. Apparently I'm not trustworthy.
Yeah, he lost my annual pass, guys.
So we're gonna go to Guardians, get a fast pass, and then leave. Back to
Oh, by
Disneyland.
the way, if they do not find my annual pass, we have to pay for it. I think it's really stupid to pay for it because it expires in a few months, but I'm so mad right now because they have not found it, and I don't understand how you don't find it. I'm mad.
Okay. Why are you mad?
You lost my freaking annual pass.
It lost itself.
I'm mad right now.
Want some riding?
No, I don't want some bread. About to go get a fast pass for Guardians. Oh my gosh, we wasted like a good hour walking around the dang park looking for that thing just to get a temporary voucher one. So now we are trying to hit rides. Alrighty, we got it. By the way, guys, we're back to the paper passes today because we are not paying for our max pass. For the amount that we go, it would honestly probably save us money to get the max pass with our next annual passes.
That's what I'm gonna do.
If you do it, I have to do it.
Yeah, exactly. Want some bread?
You guys want some bread?
You love me, right?
Not right now, I don't. Alright, I guess we're gonna get some Coke and grapes.
Oh.
Alrighty, I got my grapes. He got his Coke.
Got my bread.
And he discovered that there is a group bread.
Want some bread?
But we are headed back to Disney now to hit some rides. We got our fast passes, as you saw, for Guardians of the Galaxy, so That's probably far enough to hold it out, right? I don't care.
Want any bread?
No, I don't want any bread.
This is the first for the channel. I'm gonna go on the train. We haven't been on this thing in like forever, at least I haven't. Some good timing. The train's coming right now. We're going, Nexus. We're going.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station.
Then go back through the door, go downstairs and do all that stuff and we come back.
So guys, right now it's 10:23. I think that's since like 15-20 minutes maybe.
It's what happens when two holidays collide.
Oh my god.
Was the nightmare before Christmas that crawled through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse.
Like our Christmas. Have you been naughty?
What a horrible picture of now.
It's 15 minutes apparently. Getting on Pirates.
There be a plenty in this castle. Ah, but they do tell tales. So says I, Davy Jones.
Goofy! Alright, so we're making our way down the Guardians.
Right, but I'll book this one first.
Okay.
If the wait is still short after this, do you want to just ride this again?
Okay.
Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Scan complete.
So we are leaving DCA at the moment. Gonna head over to Disneyland, get some lunch, and then head to a hotel. So it's about 1 o'clock right now. So trying to get over there by like 2 at the latest.
Gotta get ready for our Halloween party.
Yeah, we're trying to be back here at like 2:30 at the latest.
Yeah.
So we can check in, head back over here, ride a couple rides probably.
Yeah, and then get a fast pass for the afternoon for our party.
We're getting close to lunch. Come on, Alexis. All right. Okay. Red Rose.
Alrighty, so we finally got lunch. We just got burgers. And of course, the barista. Alright guys, so we just finished eating lunch at Red Rose Tavern. Now we are about to head out. We're gonna go back to the hotel and get ready for the Halloween party tonight. We're a little later than we wanted to be with leaving and going back to the hotel. By the time we get back to the hotel, we'll probably have about a half hour to get ready. Hopefully we can accomplish that. Get ready in 30 minutes. Alright guys, so we just got back to the parking lot and look what we found. If you do not know the movie that car is from, wow. I don't know what movie this car is from. Plus it says right there on the window.